My name is Marsha, and this is my journey. I had, what didn't I have? I had implants, a bridge, crowns, extraction. I'm telling you, I was a hot mess. My teeth were a hot mess. And I was not happy. I didn't really want to talk or smile with people because I didn't like the way it looked. You know, it wasn't anything that occurred in the back of the mouth. You know, it was right in front. And my confidence was just shot. It was just shot. And I just didn't want to continue to live that way. And I ended up here. And it was probably the best, not probably, it was the best decision that I made by coming here. And I have no regrets, none. I love my smile. My sister tells me now I smile too much, but I don't care. I love my smile. I love what Dr. Castro has done for me. I am thankful every day that I met Dr. Castro. I am thankful every day that I met his staff. They are just phenomenal. So, thank you, Dr. Castro. Thank you, staff. And Dr. Castro knows I love him dearly, dearly, right?